Good afternoon or good evening, everyone. All right, today we're going to get straight to 5 minutes warming up. But before we get started, there's two things that you need to put in mind when it comes to warming up before your workout. So first thing, you need to warm up your heart, your lungs. You need to do some kind of cardio activity. So it could be jogging, fast walking, skipping, running, going up and down the stairs, do an exercise such as burpees, which you get your heart pumping. So you start with that, do it for about 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, whichever you choose, depends on the time. Then the second part, which is also really important that a lot of people miss, is getting your muscle, your joint, and your body ready for the main workout. So your muscles need to be ready, especially if you want to avoid injuries. Okay, so first part would be 2 minutes skipping, and 3 minutes we're gonna be doing a few body weight exercise, so you get your muscles ready to go. Okay, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Once you subscribe, press the notification bell. You have free options with advice to choose. See all, so you're able to see every video I post every Thursdays and Sunday. All right, thank you. Remember, before you start this body weight exercise, make sure you do 2 minutes of skipping rope. Jumping jacks, good also to bring your heart rate up. So you're going to do 20 jumping jacks before you move to the second exercise. Inch walk. I'll advise to do it push up if you can. If you cannot, just do the inch walk without a push up. So this is good for your hamstrings, back, core, arms. So that's pretty much the whole body. So entire muscles warming up and ready to work out. Last one, windmill. You're just preparing your hips, your obliques, core, and back of the thighs ready to go.